Lesson 3. CPC Campaign includes ads which are paid per click. CPC Campaign is active while you have enough money for at least one click on your balance. CPC Campaign is paid after the clicks have been made. To create CPC Campaign, go to Ad Management, Manage Ads section. Click Create Campaign button on the open page. Select CPC Campaign as campaign type and click on the link. Create CPC Campaign. Enter the name of the campaign. For example, you can name your campaign like this. You can set the display schedule for the ads of this campaign by clicking on the Turn on Scheduling button. You can select targeting options. There are two types of targeting options: basic targeting and advanced targeting. Scheduling and targeting options will be examined in the further lessons. Click Next button to go to the next step. Create group. Enter the name of the first group for the campaign being created. In Daily Budget field, specify the amount which you prefer to spend per day for the ads for this group. The advertising group will be suspended automatically after the daily budget has been spent during the day. Click Next button. Select sites. You can select all available places recommended for new advertisers. Your ads will be displayed on every available site. Or you can decide where you want to display your ads by selecting Content Network. For Content Network, you can use relevant pages throughout the network, or relevant pages only in the placements which you have access to. For this ad group, define a default bid for text ads and a default bid for image ads. Click Update button to submit the changes. If you choose relevant pages only in the placements which you have access to, you can select the sites which will display advertisements for the group of this CPC campaign. You can select sites using the 4 tools on this page. All sites. Select by category. Select by site name. Basing on the price you are willing to pay for ads placement on the site. Let's select all sites. You can add sites by clicking Add button in the Action column of the left table. A list of the selected sites for the given ad group will be displayed in the Added Sites table. To remove a channel from the Added Sites list, click Delete button next to the site. Your default bids are placed in the Added Sites table. You can revise your bids or your ratings. In other words, bid and rating values influence each other. After you have selected the sites you need, click Next. Select Keywords. Keywords is an optional setting. Click Next button in case you don't want to use keywords for this ad campaign. A default bid for site. Click Update button to submit the changes. You can generate keywords in several ways. You can input a word or a phrase, or use keywords from a specified web content. If you mark the option Don't show keywords in my group. The input keywords won't be used for your ad group. To generate keywords by the selected criteria, click Get Keyword Ideas button. You can add keyword by clicking Add button. A list of the selected keywords for the given ad group will be displayed in the Selected Keywords table. You can also add your own keywords by clicking Add Your Own Keywords button. Type a word or a phrase in the field and click Add to the List button or Clear Up button if you want to remove the typed keyword. Click Next button. Create new ad. For example, let's create text ad. To create the ad, specify ad parameters. Input title. Input description. Input display URL. Input destination URL. After the ad has been created, press Next button. Browse ads. Review the created ads. You can edit or delete a created ad. Create additional ads for this group by clicking the Create New Ad button. Click Next button. Review your selections. Check the contents of your campaign. You can bring in all necessary amendments by clicking Edit next to the corresponding parameter of the campaign. To save your campaign, click the Submit Selection button.